Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Setting up a Python coding environment on Windows. Introduction. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language, and setting up a coding environment on Windows is a straightforward process. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to download and install a Python coding app on your Windows system. We'll use the popular Visual Studio Code, vscode, as our coding environment. Step 1. Download Python. Before setting up the coding app, you need to have Python installed on your system. Follow these steps to download and install Python. Step 2. Download Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight, open-source code editor that supports Python development. Follow these steps to download and install VS Code. Step 3. Install Python extension for Visual Studio Code. VS Code has excellent support for Python development through extensions. Install the Python extension to enhance your coding experience. Step 4. Create a Python file and run it. Now that you have both Python and Visual Studio Code installed, let's create a simple Python script. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, hello.py. Right-click anywhere in the editor and select Run Python File in Terminal or press ctrl+alt+n. You should see the output Hello, Python, in the terminal at the bottom of the VS Code window. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Python coding environment on your Windows system using Visual Studio Code. Now you're ready to explore the world of Python programming and develop your projects. ChatGPT.